Want to know if a number is divisible by 2? Just check the very last digit. 24 ends in 4, so it works. But 35? No way. Subscribe for more fun math tips.
Want to know if a number is divisible by 3? Just add the digits. 6 is divisible, so 1, 2, 3 works. But for 124, the sum is 7, so it's not.
Want to know if a number is divisible by 4? Just look at the last 2 digits. For 132, 32 is divisible by 4. Yes. For 134, 34 is not. Simple as that.
A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is 0 or 5. Let's look at these examples. See? It is that easy.
Divisibility rule of 6. If it's divisible by both 2 and 3. Take 24. It's even, and 2 plus 4 is 6, so it works. Same for 42 and 126.
A number is divisible by 8 if its last 3 digits are divisible by 8. For example, 32 divided by 8 equals 4, so it is divisible by 8. The divisibility rule of 9 states a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. For example, 7, 2, and 9.
Here is the divisibility rule for 11. Add alternate digits and find the difference. For 2085, we get 2 and 13. Their difference is 11, so it is divisible.